Sous vide showing add food, fix it fast. That message doesn't mean something's wrong. It's a prompt that catches people out the first time. Here's what it actually means and how to use it correctly. Step 1. Understand the prompt. Add food appears when the cooker has finished preheating the water bath. It's telling you the water is at the right temperature and ready for your sealed food. Step 2. Bag your food properly. Always seal meat, fish, or veg in a heat-safe, food-grade bag with as much air removed as possible. A vacuum sealer works best, but you can use the water displacement method with zip bags if rated heat-safe. Step 3. Place the bag in at the right time. Wait until the add food message appears, then lower the sealed bag into the hot water. Add food too early and the cooker will keep heating, which can throw off the precision cooking. Step 4. Keep the bag submerged. Air bubbles can make bags float, leaving food partly out of the water. Use silicone sous vide clips to hold the bags under gently. I've linked the set I use in the description. They keep food fully submerged for even cooking. Step 5. Let it cook undisturbed. Once food is in, the timer will start counting down. Don't lift the lid too often, and keep an eye on the water level for very long cooks. If add food stays on the screen even after loading the bag, restart the function and wait for the preheat again. If the message never clears, the unit may need service. Use the support link in the description before your next sous vide. If this helped you beat the add food confusion, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need silicone sous vide clips, I've linked the ones I use below. They hold bags in place so your sous vide cooks stay even from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and add food at the right time. Not too soon.